So Toll Brothers built 40 brand new townhomes right here. You want to know how many are available? 0. Zilch, it's completely sold out. But I found a loophole.
I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no. Yeah, I used to be.
The first ever resale in Mira Vista, built in 2024, barely lived in, and one of Bay Park's brand new, beautiful communities. This 3-story townhome has 3 beds and 3 baths and that new home smell. Yep, that's still a thing.
I was down, but now I'm up.
The main floor is the show-off. We have this giant island, which is perfect for people who say they're gonna cook, but really just hover over here with a glass of wine. The kitchen flows right into the great room. Wide open, tons of light, and the perfect place whether it's Taco Tuesday with your friends or you're having 20 people over to watch the game.
Landed on my feet like a feline.
And you have a covered deck out here for when San Diego does its perfect weather thing, which is always.
Now I'm up.
Okay, real talk for a second. Solar, owned. None of those leases that haunt you after closing. EV charger, already installed in the garage. And Mello-Roos? Nope, not in this community, which in San Diego for a new build, I'll let that sink in. So yeah, you can't buy new in Mira Vista anymore, but you can buy the next best thing. And honestly, it might be the best thing.
I was down, but now I'm up.